Yesterday, Hurricane Michael blew in a horrible red tide on Navarre Beach, and reporter 80 went down on the scene to see how it affected the people.
This ain't a report now from Navarre Beach. We're waiting on Hurricane Michael to blow in. You can really see the wind starting to pick up, and we got the red tide down there where you caught me long ago. It sounds like this. Back to you.
Today, reporter 80 was out on the scene when people of Navarre Beach were preparing for Hurricane Michael to close in.
And back to you, Andy.
Navarre Beach. There ain't no eyeball to come on the shore. Everybody's looking for the eyeball. Ain't nobody seen the eyeball. We just sitting here waiting. Rain, wind, sand blowing all over the place. Back to you.
Now that Hurricane Michael has made landfall on Navarre Beach, reporter 80 has gone back down on the scene to see how it has progressed. 80.
It's 80 report live from the garage. They're gonna condos stay in. There ain't no eyeball to look for Hurricane Michael. Down here, fellas, the wind coming down here in the garage looking for that eyeball. We ain't seen it yet. Let's get on looking. Back to you.
Reporter Emma McAllister breaking it down for us at Summer Wind Resort.
The Hurricane Michael bear down